Yesterday, gyms are staying closed longer now, and tonight we have some new guidelines for when they reopen.
Yeah, Nicole, Arizona's Department of Health Services now has a roadmap on how gyms can protect the public. But as our Jason Berry explains, they're still not allowed to bring their members back.
Think of it as a playbook that these Arizona gyms and fitness centers need to follow. These businesses are still not allowed to reopen, but at least now they know what they need to do when they're given the green light to open their doors again. They had to close, then they reopened, then were forced to shut down again. It's been a wild roller coaster ride for gyms and workout centers caught in the middle of the COVID-19 crisis. This week, Arizona's Department of Health Services posted on its website new guidelines gyms must follow to be allowed to reopen.
We know that when you exercise or you sing or you shout, it actually increases the transmissibility of the virus. So we want to make sure that we're keeping Arizonans safe. So they'll have to have equipment that's physically distanced. They're going to have to enforce the use of masks while on there. They're going to have the ability to wash hands or use hand sanitizer to wipe the machines down. So there's a lot of the disinfecting and making sure that people are physically distancing.
Among the other mandates, gyms will have to operate at 50% capacity and close off areas where people congregate. All gym owners will be required to fill out a checklist showing they've met the proper requirements to keep the public safe.
That's the challenging part.
Jeremy Jones is one of the owners of Functional Fitness in Gilbert. He says they were already taking many of the precautions the state now requires.
We put up several more hand sanitizing stations, disinfectant wipes. We've already got our floor taped out, where there's plenty of space, and basically created workout pods for each member to use when they come in.
Jones and other gym owners tell us they don't mind filling out the new state forms, but they would like a better idea when they could do business again. Right now, state officials have no timeline for when gyms can reopen.
And if this is something that that's being required or being asked of businesses, in order to comply with certain mandates and guidelines, then we're ready to do that.
I'm told the decision to reopen gyms and fitness centers will be based on the current number of COVID-19 cases and positivity rates. Health officials tell us they will reevaluate the numbers every couple of weeks. In Phoenix, Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.